Hey guys, I'm Asad and you are watching Asad Take 8. So today's topic is War of Independence 1857 and its main causes. Course instructor Habib Ali Katpar Katovar. First of all, we introduction of this War of Independence आज़ादी की जंग जगह 1957 में लगी. An unsuccessful rebellion against British rule in India began a merit by Indian troops in the services of the British East India. A host of factors lead to the happening of this war. एक फैक्टर होस्ट जो है जैन वार के लीड करो हैपनिंग मतलब खुशी जो वार करार नहीं इट स्प्रेड टू दिल्ली जो दिल्ली में विराजी अगड़ा में खानपुर में एंड लखनऊ. Collect efforts of Muslims and Hindus to counter to the rule of British East India Company, but they failed due to various reasons. Our first reason क्या है? First of all is political causes and decline of lab space. Introduction of Lord Dew's aim was expanded the influence of British East India Company. Doctrine state that a king death means end of his rule. These will be not succession of son, but the company will extend the kingdom adopt sons. Change of official language changing Hindi Persian was replaced with English as official language. It means the first language was Persian and after that they will change in English official language. And disrespect of Indian rulers, disrespect of the Mughal kings by Lord Jalous. Change of political system, democracy over monarchy. Economic factors. New agrarian policy, heavy taxes and land revenues causing hardship to farmers and peasants. Land reforms, zamindar to provide document proof of their property. Destruction of local industry, new industries by the company and gradually end of the local industries and markets. Millions of people were left jobless. There result in frustration among the lower classes. Unemployment. The British did not trust to Indians. As a result, they were not appointed on important jobs and high posts. Less job for Indians and civil services. Now we read factor religious. Jihad movements, Sayyid Ahmad Shahid, Fayazi movement by Haji Shariatullah as we read past. Anti-religious laws, the British government intact many laws were contrary to the fundamental of various religions of India. Sati child marriage and promoting widow remarriage. Propagation of Christianity missionary established schools and taught about Christianity. Convert from the poor India class. Social causes. Insulting treatments. Indians were treated as inferior race. Spirit of British culture. जो ब्रिटिश कल्चर उन्हें जो फैल जाए spirit of capitalism to replace assets in the mood of production of India British legal system to replace traditional legal system of India, British education system to replace Indian